Every MCPHS undergraduate student will spend time in the chemistry lab, where they're immersed in the fascinating world of science. Students put on lab coats and enter the laboratory to learn and test the innumerable scientific principles that are the building blocks of the knowledge they will rely on in the professional world. The Matricaria Chemistry Lab is modularly designed and comprises 5 self-contained work pods that can accommodate 16 scientists each. There's also a separate advanced lab reserved for upper-level chemistry practice. While up to 100 students can work at once, the design of the laboratory allows for small groups to work independently on individual experiments, with an instructor assigned to each pod. Students constantly interact and compare results in this open layout. Instructors and professors help students conduct many exciting experiments, and they constantly circulate through the lab to provide guidance. Students in the lab confirm the many principles they learn in lecture and see the results with their own eyes.